Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start our new lecture of 1.3 Hope is the thing with feathers, chit chat and the only ray of hope. Warming up, chit chat. First, do you ever feel nervous? Answer: yes, sometimes I feel nervous. Second, do you ever feel really depressed? Answer: yes, sometimes I feel depressed. Third, what makes you nervous or depressed? Answer: worry about something. Question number 4. What do you hope for on these occasions? Answer: I hope I will do my best next time. Fifth, have you hoped for something that you knew was difficult? Answer: yes, I have hoped for to get good marks in scholarship examination. Sixth, what do you have to do to fulfill your hopes? Answer: I must study hard to achieve the goals. The only ray of hope. Divide the class into groups of 4 or 6. Each group selects for itself one of the difficult situations listed below. They imagine themselves to be in that situation and carry on with the rest of the activity. तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, क्लास में से कुछ बच्चों को लेकर 4 और 6 बच्चों के ग्रुप बनाने हैं और ABC इन एक्टिविटीज़ को चूज़ करके कोई भी एक एक्टिविटी उन बच्चों के ग्रुप को देनी है और इमेजिन करना है कि हम उस एक्टिविटी से बिलोंग कर रहे हैं. तो हम पहले उन 3 एक्टिविटी को पढ़ लेते हैं. तो एक्टिविटी नंबर 1, अ ग्रुप ऑफ पैसेंजर्स आर मरून ऑन एन आइलैंड इन द मिडल ऑफ द ओशन. B, a group of pilgrims traveling on foot have lost their ways in the thick jungle. C, a team of players from an office have got down at the wrong place on a highway at night. It is a lonely spot. तो हम कोई भी एक एक्टिविटी चूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो हम B एक्टिविटी चूज़ करेंगे. तो B एक्टिविटी को चूज़ करने के बाद हमें उस एक्टिविटी को सरवाइव करना है. तो बी एक्टिविटी का हम मीनिंग पढ़ेंगे. तो अ ग्रुप ऑफ पिलग्रिम्स ट्रैवलिंग ऑन फुट हैव लॉस्ट देयर वेज इन अ थिक जंगल. मतलब कुछ लोग चलते चलते जंगल में उनका रास्ता भूल गए हैं. सेकेंड, डिस्क्राइब योर सराउंडिंग्स इन 4 and 5 sentences. Answer: a jungle is thick and full of scary sounds. It's all green and confusing. There are tall trees all around. Twigs and grasses are mixed with land. It is confusing. Second, write the reactions of your companions using exclamations. Answer: what is this place? How will we find our way home? Oh God, save us. Fourth, what if we met a dangerous animal? Third, using your imagination, write what is the only ray of hope for you. Answer: the only ray of hope is finding a way out of the jungle. The light of the sun will help in finding the right direction. If we keep on moving forward, we will find a way out. Last one, fourth question. 2 members of your group are going out to try to get help. They can take any 5 things with them. Write what they choose and why they choose it. Answer: the 2 members can choose to take the following things. First, drinking water, difficult to find in the jungle. Second, food, edible fruits or other items may not be found. Compass, it will help in finding the direction. First aid kit will help if someone gets injured. Last one, multi-purpose tool, extremely useful as it has knife, clippers, blade, needles, etc. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.